Swipe and swipe, dab and dab, press and press. Isn't that easy? Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. I am Bhavna and this is my YouTube channel Bhavna's Beauty World. Welcome back with another brand new makeup tutorial, which is full glam Eid makeup tutorial. We're gonna learn some new tricks and hacks of eyeshadow into this video. So don't forget to watch the full video. So without further ado, let's start the video. Welcome back to my bare naked skin. First of all, I'm gonna prime my face with Kiss Beauty setting spray. It will give me hydration and also prime my face. For the base, I'm using Kiss Beauty stick foundation. Blending this with a dense foundation brush. To contour my face, I'm using Kiss Beauty Stick Contour. Blending the cream contour with my foundation brush. Using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow for highlighting my face and for the primer of eyelids. Blending this with a fluffy concealer brush. Setting the concealers with L'Oreal setting powder. Taking this light contour shade with a fluffy brush, just slightly pressing on the contours. Taking a poulet, brushing out my eyebrows. Using this dark brow eyebrow pomade, did my eyebrows in the off camera. Now I'm taking this light brown matte shade with a fluffier brush and slightly swiping in a semi-lunar shape on my eyelids just to give some warmth to my eyes. Now taking this purple matte shade with the same fluffy brush, I'm slightly pressing and just swiping onto my socket of eye and swiping it towards only to the socket line, just the same way as previous one, but it is only in the socket line, not above and below. Now I'm taking this navy blue matte shade with a dense fluffy brush and placing it towards the outer corner and not above the crease line or that previous shade, and just dabbing it by this brush. You can see this shade is been placed and blended at the same time just only by dabbing by this dense fluffy brush. This time I'm taking a beautiful rose pink matte shade with a dense fluffy brush, but this brush is more fluffier than the previous one. As it is more fluffier, it will deposit the color all over the lid. I'm just pressing by this brush and it deposits the color and blends at the same time and also in a subtle way as it is depositing towards the lid at the same time. Now with the previous brush, I'm dabbing on the junction of the pink and previous violet shade just to make them look very well blended. Now I'm taking this shimmery burgundy color with the highlighter brush and at the same time I'm slightly pressing and swiping throughout the whole lid so that it looks shiny, shimmery, but not so much that burgundy color, and peek through the previous pink and violet shade throughout the shimmers. In the same way I did my another eye in the off camera. Now I'm taking my Lakme Iconic Kajal and doing my tight lines in the lower lash line. Now taking this medium-sized flat brush, I'm taking this reddish pink matte shade and smudging my lower lash line with the kajal. I used my Lakme eyeliner and mascara in the off camera, and here is the completed eye look. Now I'm using this light bubblegummy pink blush. I'm using this golden color highlighter with a flat brush. So the makeup look is almost complete. The eyes are so gorgeous, so I just want to make the lips more of subtle, more nude. So I'm gonna use a cool toned purplish mauvey type of nude liquid lipstick. So it was all about today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching throughout the video. In today's video we learned some new tricks and hacks of eyeshadow for those who are beginners. It will be so much helpful, and the dabbing method is not actually mine. It is inspired from none other than Smita Deepak. You all guys know her. She is an Indian beauty vlogger and she creates very beautiful makeup tutorials. She is my icon actually. I am inspired from her and I started makeup tutorial, so I want to thank her that she inspired me, and these tricks were really very helpful. So thank you so much guys. We'll meet in the next week inshallah. Tata.